Imagine what would happen if teachers wanted to arrange prank lessons too. A disappearing ink pen, chalk face powder, or parsley instead of a brush? Watch in our new video how Miss Smith decided to take revenge on her students for all their pranks on her. Except that we do not advise to repeat this in your class. After all, not every teacher is as understanding as Miss Smith. A school day starts as usual. The bell hasn't rung yet, but the girls have been discussing how to prank their teacher. None of the old tricks would work. Feathers have been used, so has a pencil case, and scissors are dangerous. But there are some ideas that work at any time. Pranking a teacher with a piece of chalk that doesn't write. It's an iconic prank. Roll air-dry clay into a rope. Dampen your hand in water from time to time so that the clay is more flexible. Take a ruler and shape the rope into a 3D rectangle. Cut the clay into identical pieces. Wait until hardened. Then, paint the sticks of the clay chalk with acrylic paint. You need to be careful when using this chalk because you may scratch the blackboard top. I put the chalk near the blackboard. Just in time! Miss Smith enters the room and starts the class. She wants to underline formulas, but she fails to do it with the clay chalk. None of the sticks write. Don't even try, Miss Smith. Anyway, everything you write on the blackboard is an absolute puzzle to us. But Miss Smith is in a competitive spirit today. She wouldn't put up with her students' pranks anymore. She announces a day of teacher pranks. The teacher is suspiciously kind. She takes a school supply holder from the desk and swaps a regular pen for a teacher's one behind the girls' backs. Take an old pen and remove the tip of a refill. Unscrew the pen and pass through a piece of a thin string inside. Hot glue the end of the string to the tip of the refill. Attach it nicely. Pull the string inside the barrel to put the refill tip back into its place. Put on a nib. Tuck the string into the barrel and hot glue the end to the plug. I need a pen to write down a task. I take a green one, but it refuses to write. What's wrong with it? I check the ink, or what is left out of it. I pull a string out of the pen as though I'm a magician. Maybe I should quit school and start working at a circus. Miss Smith won't get away with it. Once she wants to play with the big girls, then we'll raise the stakes. Let's see what she will say if we start doing our makeup right in class. Powder and lipstick are the girls' best friends. The teacher reacts immediately. She stops the time with a subtle movement of her hand. She can work wonders. Maybe she should work at the circus. While the girls are kept enchanted, Miss Smith swaps their makeup for the fake. They will be so surprised when they come to themselves. A lipstick tied in a knot and chalk face powder is waiting for them. Roll a red modeling clay rope. Tie a knot out of it. Shape one end to make it look like a lipstick. Put it into an empty lipstick container. The girls come to themselves after a temporary coma. But what has happened to their makeup? Has the lipstick played Twister? Why is the face powder so white? Take an empty old powder compact. Grate white chalk on a fine grater and fill the container with it. Press it with a spoon thoroughly. You can do only a horror movie makeup with this face powder. White, crumbling face. But Miss Smith is satisfied. The makeup operation has been a success. Miss Smith has a new best friend. It's a cactus named George. She loves it even more than our PE teacher. She waters it, takes care of it, and brushes through the spines. Blow a little green balloon. Put it into a flower pot. Make small brown modeling clay balls. Take artificial plants and cut off small spines. Stick the spines into the modeling clay balls. Apply a bit of hot glue to the ball. Wait a few seconds for the glue to cool down so that it won't melt the rubber. Cover the entire balloon with the spines. Attach the cactus to the pot. It seems that the PE teacher is jealous of George because he is calling Miss Smith. She has to answer the call. While the teacher is away, we swipe the cactus. Our plan is to hold it hostage and cut off spine after spine until Miss Smith gives us high grades. But I prick the cactus with scissors accidentally, and it blows out. Oops! Let's put George back into its place. But Miss Smith's had a hunch that it will be this way. She's gloating over the girls' prank failure. Ha! Students! The teacher gives a task, but the girls have nothing to write in again. Do they actually eat their notebooks or what? Miss Smith gives them new ones that even